Welcome to Pressing Matters. I am here with my fellow Quilt and Tell podcast host, Tracy Mooney. And Tracy, we're talking about our irons specifically. How do you maintain it? Because when you get a really good iron, you want it to last forever. So what are some of the ways that people can just keep their iron in great shape?
Cleaning it.
Yeah, that helps.
So how do you clean it, and what might muck up your iron?
Yeah.
So if you do any type of fusible applique where you're using fusible web, or if you're putting an interfacing in something.
Yep, anything with that sticky glue, right? Yep.
That sticky glue can get on your iron if you're not careful.
Yeah.
So first up, pressing sheet. If you use a pressing sheet, then that really helps you keep your iron clean. You can also put this down, put whatever fusible on top of it, and then put another sheet down or just a piece of muslin, and then press through that. And then whatever sticky adhesive gets on the fabric or on the pressing sheet and not on the base of your iron.
Yeah, and then also that kind of saves your mat too.
It
or
does, your ironing board.
Yeah, so that's great.
Agreed.
All right, so that's before, so you don't mess it up.
Right.
What happens if you've already gone crazy and messed it all up? What do you do?
Well, there are lots of cleaning products on the market that you can go to your local quilt shop or whatever store you've got near you, like a Joann's, and you can go and purchase an iron cleaner.
And we have one here, right?
We do.
Okay, and
So-
this is actually one that you had given me, and you had never really tried it before.
Right.
So I'm going to let you do the honors.
good.
And you will see that we have actually gotten some starch or something on our iron, and yeah, it needs some cleaning. It needs some love. So we want to show you guys just how easy it is just to do this and to do it regularly, because if it builds up, then it's it's going to make it harder.
It could get on something else that you're trying to press and ruin something that you don't want to mess up.
Yeah.
So for this one is a wand that has a cleaning solution in it that you just rub across a cool iron. There are other products that you can buy on the market that you might need to use a hot iron. So just follow the manufacturer's instructions for whatever you use.
Yeah, and these are relatively inexpensive too. Like it's a for as little as you're going to pay to get it, it's worth it, because buying a new iron can be really pricey.
And a good iron is an investment.
Yeah. So I think you definitely got rid of some of those water spots. I think you can probably be really generous with it, but I think we get the idea. Like, so these cleaning products are out there. And then, Tracy, I can't help but notice that you've brought a bag and some salt. What's that about? What's going on here?
This is your last resort.
Okay, all right. So
you've got something really gummy on the bottom of your iron.
Yeah. Okay.
And you're worried that you've ruined it. All you take is salt. Any kind of salt from your kitchen will work. Okay.
All right.
Paper bag, too.
All right.
All right, so go grab those two items. You're going to rip open the paper bag.
It's okay to ask for paper.
Right. And I usually open the bag like this.
Okay.
I'll flatten it out so you can see.
Yeah.
But I rip it open because there's usually printing on the outside, and that can be kind of
you don't want that getting
smelly
on the
with
iron.
a hot iron, right?
Okay.
You're going to pour a generous amount of salt in the bag, like so. Okay.
And it seems like the bigger grains would probably maybe be a little bit better, or it doesn't matter?
I don't know. It's just what I had in my kitchen.
Okay.
So that's what I used.
Okay.
All right. So then all you do, get your iron super hot.
Yep.
Hottest setting. And then all you're going to do is you're going to rub the bottom of the iron in the salt.
Okay.
It's a little bit loud.
Yeah.
But it will get any kind of adhesive. Like if you've flipped over some kind of a, applique and you put it down the wrong way and then got glue all over the bottom of your iron.
Yep.
That happened.
Oh, yeah. Sadly, we all
it gets
have.
it off.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Well, Tracy, I feel like you have given us so many good ideas, and I now need to go home and make sure I clean my iron.